Gala Tent has been running a competition to win a printed gazebo for one lucky primary school, using designs created by the youngsters themselves. We've had so many fantastic designs from so many schools that it was impossible to select just 6 from the list. Instead, we decided to give away more prizes and make 3 defined categories so that we can celebrate even more of these incredible talents. The first category is for designs from children in reception, Year 1 or Year 2 or equivalent age groups. From Castlewood Primary, this entry from reception class meant it was our youngest designer. We thought his use of colours was great and would make for an excellent printed gazebo. This group design from St Teresa's Catholic Primary was incredibly vibrant and colourful with lovely use of rainbows, and unicorns are always a winner in our book. Heroes were the theme of this great design from Our Lady of Lourdes School, with this talented young designer contrasting the Hulk and Spider-Man with real-life heroes from education and the NHS. The differently themed animal scenes on each of the panels on this entry from Carlton Colville Primary really made us smile, and in particular we enjoyed the farm animals panel. A double designer package from the Croft Primary School. We thought the contrast between the bright flowers and rainbows and the sweet detail of the animal picture were a joy to behold. And a second design from Castlewood Primary was selected because of the amazing detail of the castle and rainbow image alongside that very sweet Friends motif. Congratulations to all of the children in this category, and we wish we could give prizes to everybody that entered. They were all excellent. The second category was for children from years 3 and 4, or equivalent ages. From Foxyard's Academy, this little lady presented the school values on each panel, and what we enjoyed most was the way she illustrated those values perfectly. East Markham sent a very strong selection of designs, and the one which made it to the final 6 was this great colourful work of art, and we really loved that little frog character. Animals were the theme of this amazingly detailed and intricate design from this young man from Carlton Colville Primary, who clearly has a strong eye for art, and we're sure he's going to go far. A collaborative effort from St Teresa's Catholic Primary showed amazing talent, and that story of the pirate ship in the storm had us coming back to this one over and over again. The youngsters from Croft Primary delivered yet again with an amazing pair of incredibly thought out images which had plenty of depth to their stories. And finally, beautiful use of school colours within the space available, and that very cute tiger design had us won over from the start from the youngsters of the Centipede and Spider class at Tiger Primary. And the third and final group was for the eldest children of years 5 and 6 or equivalent ages. This was a really tough category in both the number of entries received and the talent on show. We genuinely wish we could have had a top 20 for this category. From Beanfield Primary, this incredible design shows the 4 elements beautifully and shows an incredible talent. From Forgandenny Primary, this poor cat endures the 4 seasons, and we loved the character shown in the design. It was another strong entry. A design of incredible depth and very cheeky sense of humour won us over with this Paget School entry. What seems like a series of cool images turns out to be the story of the best sloth in space, which ultimately won us over with humour and style. A very modern entry from the girls of Year 6 at Lower Darwin Primary showed some very lovely touches as they used emojis to illustrate the values of them and their school. A favourite of our CEO, this young lady from Brimmond Primary showed great creativity and cheeky flair, and in particular we enjoyed the picture within a picture motif on one of those panels. And last but by no means least, this extremely bright design by a young lady from Earlsdon Primary School showed amazing use of colour, alongside some quirky illustrations that were important to her. This was one of our favourite ever experiences, and we enjoyed it so much you should look forward to more contests from Gala Tent to bring your kids' creative sides out. But for now, congratulations to the finalists for their hard work. Now it's up for you to get that tent to your school. You need your design to gain the most likes or loves on the original image on our Facebook page between now and midnight on Sunday 6th of June. Voting begins now.